Feeling sluggish, bloated, or mentally foggy? What if a safe 10-day plan, combining Ayurveda's purification methods with modern metabolic research, could reset your body and mind? Let's walk through a balanced, evidence-aware 10-day detox.
Hi, I'm Nate. Today I'll guide you through a 10-day detox therapy inspired by classical Panchakarma principles and contemporary studies on fasting and metabolic detoxification. Important, this is educational. Consult your physician before starting.
In Ayurveda, Panchakarma, the 5 actions of purification, has been used for millennia to remove ama, metabolic waste, and rebalance doshas. Traditional texts describe staged preparation, cleansing, and recuperation phases. Modern research shows intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating can improve metabolic markers like blood glucose and lipids in short-term trials, though the evidence on commercial detox diets removing unspecified toxins is weak. That means, use practices that support liver, kidney function, and metabolism, not gimmicks. We'll follow 3 phases. Prepare, gentle diet, internal oleation, light therapies, cleanse, short fasts, gentle emesis, purgation alternatives, or supervised mild laxation where appropriate, and rebuild, nourishing, restorative diet and lifestyle. This mirrors Ayurvedic staging and practical detox programs used in clinical studies. Morning, warm water with lemon, 250 milliliters, on waking. Gentle 15-minute walk. Meals, light, easily digestible. Khichdi, mung plus rice porridge, steamed vegetables, non-spicy soups. Avoid fried foods, alcohol, and caffeine. Add internal oleation, a small spoon of ghee or sesame oil if preferred, in warm milk at bedtime only if you tolerate dairy. To help mobilize stored impurities, a classical prep step called Snehana. If you have gallbladder problems, skip and consult a doctor. Introduce gentle abdominal massage, self-abhyanga, for 10 minutes before shower to support lymphatic flow and digestion. Continue light meals, good sleep, hydrate. This is the heart of the 10-day plan. Instead of extreme juicing or unsupported cleanses, we recommend time-restricted eating plus short, supervised caloric reduction, approaches with clinical evidence for metabolic benefit. Eating window, 8-10 hours per day, for example 10 o'clock, 18 o'clock. Outside that window, only water, herbal teas, or warm vegetable broth. Meals, plant-forward, anti-inflammatory, whole grains, cooked vegetables, legumes, small amounts of lean protein or plant protein. Avoid processed foods, sugar, alcohol, and supplements promising detox. Hydration, warm water with a pinch of rock salt and 1-2 cups day of a simple herbal decoction, coriander, cumin, fennel, to support digestion. If medically supervised and appropriate, gentle bowel cleansing, Virechana in Ayurveda, is traditionally used. But modern practice emphasizes safer alternatives, therapeutic enemas under supervision only, or short course of mild osmotic laxatives as prescribed. Do not attempt strong emesis, unprescribed laxatives, or invasive procedures at home. Consult a qualified practitioner. Now we rebuild. Ease back into fuller meals with nutrient-dense, easy-to-digest foods. Add probiotic foods, dahi yogurt only if tolerated, steamed greens, root vegetables, and light dals. Introduce mild resistance or yoga-based movement 20-30 minutes day to consolidate metabolic gains. Sleep 7-8 hours nightly. Maintain consistent bedtime. Classical texts emphasize pachana, digestive strengthening, and rasayana, rejuvenation, after cleansing. This phase is crucial for long-term benefit. Daily journal. Track sleep, mood, bowel movements, appetite. Measure. Weigh once on day 1 and day 10. Consider pre-post basic labs, fasting glucose, lipid profile, LFTs, if medically appropriate. Supplements. Prefer food first. If using herbs, turmeric, ginger, do so mildly and consult a clinician. If you have diabetes, pregnancy, kidney, liver disease, heart disease, or take medications, stop and seek medical advice.
Quick transparency. Mainstream medical reviews find limited evidence that commercial detox products eliminate unspecified toxins. Many benefits come from the caloric restriction and improved food quality. That's why this 10-day plan emphasizes evidence-supported practices, time-restricted eating and whole food anti-inflammatory diet, approaches shown to improve metabolic markers in RCTs and reviews.
Small studies of guided detox programs have found short-term changes in detox pathway markers, phase 1 and 2 enzymes, but larger, longer trials are needed. Be cautious of claims promising to flush toxins without specifying what those toxins are.
Q. Will I lose weight? A. Maybe, short-term weight loss is common with reduced calories. Long-term weight control needs sustained lifestyle change. Q. Are juices okay? A. Short-term juice may lower calories but often lacks protein and fiber, not ideal as a long-term strategy. Q. How often to do this program? A. A gentle 10-day reset can be done 1-2 times a year. Frequent aggressive detoxes aren't recommended.
Dizziness, fainting, severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, rapid heart rate, confusion. Stop and seek immediate care. Moderation and medical oversight are the keys. Don't chase dramatic claims.
If you like this plan, comment your questions below. If you want, we can make a printable 10-day schedule and shopping list. Say the word. Remember, blend ancient wisdom with modern evidence, and always put safety first.